Have you ever experienced persistent fatigue despite getting enough sleep, or occasional numbness in your hands and feet without a clear cause? Your body might be silently lacking a crucial nutrient, vitamin B12, especially its most bioavailable form, Methylcobalamin. This isn't just any ordinary vitamin B12. It's a pre-activated form, allowing for faster absorption and directly impacting the nervous system, brain, and blood formation. In recent years, methylcobalamin has gained increasing attention from healthcare professionals, neurologists, and health-conscious individuals due to its superior benefits. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from natural foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy tends to decrease. This makes many people, especially the elderly, vegetarians, and those with stomach or intestinal problems, susceptible to B12 deficiency without realizing it. Vitamin B12 deficiency not only causes fatigue, but can also affect memory, mood, and even increase the risk of nerve damage if prolonged. So what makes methylcobalamin special compared to other forms of B12, like cyanocobalamin? How does it work in the body? And most importantly, what health benefits can it offer from the brain and nervous system to the cardiovascular system and daily energy? In today's video, we'll explore 12 scientifically proven benefits of methylcobalamin, vitamin B12, helping you understand why this nutrient is so important and whether you should include it in your health regimen. Watch until the end so you don't miss any valuable information. When it comes to methylcobalamin, the first thing to understand is that it's not simply a vitamin, but a biological coenzyme that plays an essential role in many of the body's life processes. Unlike cyanocobalamin, the synthetic form of B12 often found in many supplements, methylcobalamin is a ready-to-use form, meaning the body doesn't need to convert it further and can utilize it immediately. This is especially important for people with metabolic issues, the elderly, or those with impaired liver function, as the normal conversion of B12 can be limited. The first and perhaps most studied benefit of methylcobalamin is its ability to support and protect the nervous system. Our nervous system is surrounded by a protective membrane called myelin, much like the outer sheath of electrical wires that helps transmit signals quickly and stably. Methylcobalamin plays a crucial role in the synthesis and maintenance of myelin. When there is a B12 deficiency, the myelin sheath can weaken, leading to symptoms such as numbness in the hands and feet, loss of sensation, muscle weakness, and even motor disorders. Methylcobalamin supplementation has been shown to improve symptoms of peripheral nerve damage, especially in people with diabetes or those with nerve compression. A second benefit is improved brain function and memory. The brain is a high-energy consumer and heavily dependent on B vitamins, particularly B12. Methylcobalamin participates in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine substances that play a crucial role in promulgating and emotions. Many studies indicate that people with low B12 levels are at increased risk of cognitive decline, memory loss, and even Alzheimer's disease. Maintaining optimal methylcobalamin levels can help support mental clarity, improve concentration, and slow cognitive decline due to aging. A third benefit is support for mental and emotional health. Vitamin B12 deficiency is strongly linked to depression, anxiety, and mood swings. Methylcobalamin helps regulate homocysteine, an amino acid in the blood associated with oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. When homocysteine is too high, it can damage nerve cells and increase the risk of mental disorders. By helping convert homocysteine into methionine, methylcobalamin contributes to brain protection and emotional balance, helping you feel more positive and reducing the risk of depression. A fourth benefit is support for red blood cell production and prevention of anemia. Vitamin B12 in general, and methylcobalamin in particular, is an essential component in the process of red blood cell formation in the bone marrow. When the body lacks B12, red blood cells can become abnormally large but less functional, leading to megaloblastic anemia. This causes fatigue, dizziness, pale skin, and decreased physical strength. Supplementing with methylcobalamin helps ensure normal red blood cell production, improves oxygen transport to organs, and helps you feel more energetic. The fifth benefit is increased energy and reduced fatigue. Many people think that iron supplementation alone is enough to combat fatigue. But in reality, B12 plays an equally important role. Methylcobalamin participates in energy metabolism at the cellular level, helping the body convert food into ATP, the main energy source for all life activities. A B12 deficiency disrupts this process, leading to lethargy, lack of energy, and difficulty concentrating at work. The sixth benefit is support for cardiovascular health. As mentioned, methylcobalamin helps reduce homocysteine levels in the blood. High homocysteine is an independent risk factor for atherosclerosis, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. By keeping homocysteine levels within a safe range, methylcobalamin contributes to protecting blood vessel walls, reducing inflammation, and improving blood circulation, thereby supporting long-term cardiovascular health. The seventh benefit is support for liver function and detoxification processes. The liver is responsible for metabolizing and eliminating toxins from the body. Methylcobalamin participates in the methylation cycle, a crucial biochemical process that helps the body repair DNA, produce neurotransmitters, and eliminate harmful substances. When methylation functions properly, the body maintains biological balance, reducing the risk of inflammation and cell damage. The eighth benefit is support for sleep health. Many people are unaware that a B12 deficiency can disrupt sleep. Methylcobalamin helps regulate the circadian rhythm by influencing melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. People who get enough B12 tend to have better sleep quality, fall asleep more easily, and wake up less frequently during the night. The ninth benefit is support for healthy skin, hair, and nails. While collagen, biotin, and vitamin C are often mentioned more frequently, B12 also plays a vital role in cell regeneration. Methylcobalamin helps promote new cell division, supports blood circulation to the scalp and hair follicles, thereby making hair healthier, reducing breakage, and improving skin elasticity over time. The 10th benefit is supporting the immune system. The immune system needs B12 to produce and activate white blood cells, the warriors that protect the body from bacteria and viruses. When B12 is deficient, the body's defenses weaken, making you more susceptible to illness. Methylcobalamin helps maintain a strong immune system, helping you get sick less often and recover faster after infection. The 11th benefit is supporting bone and joint health. Many recent studies indicate that high homocysteine levels are associated with decreased bone density and an increased risk of osteoporosis. By helping control homocysteine, methylcobalamin indirectly contributes to bone protection, reducing the risk of fractures, especially in older adults and postmenopausal women. Finally, the 12th benefit is support for overall health and healthy aging. Methylcobalamin doesn't just act on one organ individually, but affects the entire body, from the brain, cardiovascular system, and nervous system to the immune system and metabolism. Maintaining optimal B12 levels helps the body function more efficiently, reduces chronic inflammation, protects cells from damage, and helps you maintain better health as you age. However, it's important to note that not everyone needs high doses of methylcobalamin supplementation. Those who eat a balanced diet rich in B12 such as red meat, fish, eggs, and dairy may already be getting enough from their diet. Conversely, vegetarians, older adults, those with stomach problems such as ulcers, reflux, or who have had stomach surgery, as well as those with diabetes or peripheral neuropathy, may need supplementation. Choosing the right form of B12 is also crucial. If you only supplement with regular cyanocobalamin, but your body metabolizes it poorly, the effect may not be optimal. In that case, methylcobalamin is a better option due to its high bioavailability and direct impact on the nervous system. However, before supplementing with any dietary supplement, you should check your blood, B12 levels, and consult your doctor to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs. Overall, methylcobalamin isn't a miracle cure, but it's clearly an extremely important nutrient that many people are deficient in without realizing it. Understanding and supplementing correctly can make a big difference to your health, energy, and quality of life. In the next part of the video, we'll delve deeper into how to effectively supplement methylcobalamin, signs that you may be deficient in B12, and important considerations for safe and optimal use. Let's quickly go over a few other benefits of methylcobalamin that are worth mentioning. First, vitamin B12 aids the methylation process in your liver, helping to remove toxic chemicals and heavy metals from your blood. It also assists in replicating and repairing DNA in tissues like your gut, skin, and immune cells. Methylcobalamin is associated with stronger bones and fewer fractures. For men, vitamin B12 may support healthy sperm production, motility, and fertility. It also helps your body create a substance called SAMI, a compound that supports emotional balance. And by boosting red blood cells, vitamin B12 helps deliver nutrients to the scalp, promoting stronger hair growth over time. Now, let's talk about your daily vitamin B12 requirements. B12 is an essential vitamin you should be getting every day, ideally from your diet. As you can see on this chart, the minimum daily requirement for adults is 2.4 micrograms. However, a significant portion of the population, over 40%, has a mutation in the MTHFR gene, which can cause issues with methylation. This basically means you might need more vitamin B12 from your food, somewhere between 10 to 30 micrograms, just to absorb enough here. As an interesting fact, the active form of vitamin B12 that we humans need is actually produced by bacteria living inside animals. This is why it's nearly impossible to get it from plants. So you need to make sure you're getting this vitamin from animal-based foods. Think organ meats, beef and lamb, clams, mussels, sardines, eggs, and fatty fish. For vegetarians, there's an option to get B12 from Chlorella vulgaris algae, but unfortunately, it's not as easily absorbed. This means supplementation might still be necessary on a vegetarian diet. If you are going to supplement with B12, it's crucial to avoid the cheap, poorly absorbed cyanocobalamin. This form is chemically produced using cyanide and needs to be metabolized by your liver before your body can even use it. The type of B12 we've been talking about in this video is methylated. That means it's ready to be absorbed directly into your cells. The standard dose for methylcobalamin is 1,000 to 3,000 micrograms per day, ideally taken on an empty stomach in the morning. You can find it in tablets or capsules, but the best form is liquid, which you can place under your tongue. This sublingual method allows the B12 to go straight into your bloodstream through the oral mucosa, which is fantastic for people with digestive issues like low stomach acid, acid reflux, Crohn's disease, or chronic inflammatory bowel disease. So what about side effects? Methylcobalamin is a water-soluble vitamin. This means if you take too much, your kidneys will usually just flush out the excess through your urine. Generally, side effects are minimal. However, if you take extremely high doses, say, over 5,000 micrograms a day for a very long time, some people might notice acne or rosacea spots. Others might feel a bit restless, anxious, or irritable. That's why it's best to stick to the 1,000 to 3,000 microgram range, or simply follow the recommended dosage on the packaging. Now, for your reference, let's look at some other types of vitamin B12. There's hydroxycobalamin, which is commonly used in vitamin B12 injections. These are often given every 1 to 3 months for people with long-term deficiencies, as this form lasts longer in the body. However, methylcobalamin is more potent and easier to use for most people. Then there's adenosylcobalamin, another naturally occurring form that your mitochondria use directly to create energy within your cells. On the other hand, as we mentioned, cyanocobalamin is the cheaper, lower quality synthetic version that is poorly metabolized and absorbed. You should also be aware of something called B12 analogs. These are found in spirulina and some fermented foods. They look like vitamin B12, but they don't work in the body and can actually get in the way of absorbing real B12. Remember, these are supplements, not medications. Vitamin B12 works best as part of a team, collaborating with other nutrients like B6, B9 folate, and iron to build red blood cells and keep your body healthy. You can get all 4 of these nutrients by eating organ meats like liver. You can also get some of them by consuming avocados, sunflower seeds, broccoli, pistachios, and leafy green vegetables. So, how do you actually know if your B12 levels are low? What are the best testing methods? Standard serum blood tests that measure B12 can sometimes give inaccurate results. They only measure the amount of B12 floating around in your blood, not how much is actually being used by your cells. This is why so many people are told their B12 levels are normal even when they feel extremely unwell. I recommend asking your doctor for an active B12 test, which is much more accurate. You can also request an MMA test. If the results for MMA are high, it means your cells aren't using enough vitamin B12. Additionally, high homocysteine levels in your blood can also point to a deficiency in vitamin B12, folate, or vitamin B6. And there you have its 12 outstanding benefits of methylcobalamin, the most bioavailable form of vitamin B12, from protecting the nervous system and improving memory to balancing emotions, supporting cardiovascular health, increasing energy, and helping the body fight aging. It's clear this seemingly simple nutrient plays an incredibly profound role in our health. The most important thing isn't just to supplement as much as possible, but to ensure it's the right person at the right time and in the right way. If you frequently experience unexplained fatigue, numbness in your hands and feet, reduced concentration or anxiety, or if you're a vegetarian, are older, or have gastrointestinal problems, you should definitely consider getting your vitamin B12 levels checked. From there, you and your doctor can decide if methylcobalamin is the right choice for you. Hopefully, today's video has helped you better understand the role of methylcobalamin and how it affects your overall health. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos on health and scientific nutrition. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Have you ever supplemented with B12? And how did it make you feel? Or, if you'd like me to go into more detail about choosing the right dosage, timing, or comparing different forms of B12, just let me know. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue learning how to take better care of our bodies every day.